You ain't going to Wingstop. We making wings at home. Okay, listen. For all y'all that say you don't have to rinse your chicken before eating it, go to hell. Okay? Go to hell. Did you see how that water looked? Did you see how that water looked? Don't invite me to your house unless you clean your chicken. And that's on period. So the way I clean my chicken, I use vinegar, water, lemon, and some salt. I do take my lemon and basically move it all around each of my chicken wings, front and back. And then I go ahead and continue to rinse the water until it's clear. Y'all, we are air frying these wings, baby. No need to get out that, double X fryer. None of that mess. No. I cleaned my wings, patted them dry, added my olive oil. And y'all always talk junk talking about she put the whole cabinet and do anything in my cabinet that I want to grab for my chicken. That's what I'm going to do, baby. And it's going to be the best chicken. My man literally was like, this is the best chicken you've ever made. This is the best chicken you ever made. Every time I make something, I tell y'all, this was the best I ever made. And y'all think I be lying. Every time it gets better and better. Anyway, I want you to season it to the God, baby. Season it as much as you like. And then we're going to go ahead and marinate it overnight. Now, the next day, I'm taking a little separate container. I threw my wings in there. I don't expect you guys to have chicken crack at home, okay? But what you probably do have is baking powder. If you have a little baking powder, all you got to do is put some on there just like you would do flour. Not a lot, maybe like 2 tablespoons, and mix it around. I cooked these in my air fryer on 375 for 20 minutes, and I switched them at the 10-minute mark. For our lemon pepper seasoning, we just melted some butter, added garlic and lemon pepper seasoning, put our wings in there. Y'all, these was so damn good.